So we can see here we've got an algebraic expression. To simplify this, we need to first expand these two bracket systems. So in this first bracket here, we can see we've got 7 outside of x squared y to the power of 0. Now, we know we need to multiply these indices here by 0. So we're going to get 7 times x, 2 times 0 is 0, y, 1 times 0 is 0. Now, in this second bracket over here, everything is going to be affected by this negative 2 indice. So we're going to get 3 to the power of negative 2, x to the power of negative 2, and y to the power of 3 times negative 2, so negative 6. So we know that anything to the power of 0 is 1, so we're just going to get 7 times 3 to the negative 2, x to the negative 2, y to the negative 6. So putting this in fractional form, we know that anything with a negative indice is going to be part of the denominator. So our numerator, we're going to get 7. Our denominator is going to be 3 squared, which is 9, x squared, y to the power of 6. And we're done.